Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Just got an interesting parcel from the UK, from one of the co-hosts of the British Electric Blues show. So, bit of a surprise. Let's see what's in here. Oh wow. My gosh. Simon Williams. Never a skip. 10 out of 10, never a skip. The British Electric Blues Show. Well, Simon, the British Electric Blues Show has to get something to you, brother. We're just waiting on a couple of things. But look, the generosity is, oh, wow. Simon, thank you very much, brother. Rock and roll. TikTok, time to rock. 700 subs too. See you guys Sunday.